What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today, what? Perfect. Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today, guys, we are going to find out how much Carvana, yes, that Carvana is going to offer for this truck. That means we're going to see what Carvana is willing to pay to take this truck in right now. If you didn't know, like, Carvana is probably the absolute worst place to buy a car. They are known for just doing all types of scumbag behavior, selling you a car, not getting you a title, all kinds of stuff. And I'm gonna see what they'll offer me for a truck that's been offered through a flood. So let's go ahead. We're gonna go directly through the process, and then we're gonna discuss. Let's see how much they actually offer me for this truck. I'm a little intrigued. Now, you guys know I'm a little bit over $7,000 in. We still got to get this thing to the dealer and get, you know, the different repairs and stuff done on it. So I am definitely interested to see what they are willing to offer me for this truck. All right, guys, so we're in here now, and we're going through the app, and we're going to see what they offer for this right here for the truck. Now I'm adding in my features. There's not a lot of features on this truck. She's pretty bare bones. It does have a bed liner. It does have descent control. No premium wheels. No nothing else. No fog lights. No running boards. No leather. Sure, it's only got heated seats or nothing. No power seat. No sunroof. That should be it. Next. No accidents. Notice it doesn't say anything about salvage title. It doesn't care. Like, this is a big issue with Carvana. They give no shits about doesn't say anything about a salvage title. They don't care. No interior damage, no exterior damage, no mechanical issues, no modifications. No, it didn't smoke in it. There's one key. It's pretty great. Let's see what they offer. Let me drop my email in. All right. And boom. They're offering $24,989 for the truck with 58,000 miles on the odometer. I don't know, man. That's kind of funny. That's kind of funny. Oh, man. $24,989. Okay. Well, there you guys have it. That has to be an absolute disaster. I don't know. 24 grand. I mean, I don't know, man. What do you guys think about that? Is that a good flip? 24,000. I don't know, man. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I know y'all would think that that's karma if I sold this truck to Carvana, but then it would kind of be a scumbag move, because I know Carvana would immediately give it to somebody else, and somebody else would get stuck with it when it has issues later, and that would be kind of a scumbag move. But it was kind of cool to see what Carvana would offer for it. I guess I'll take it to CarMax and see what they do. See y'all on the next one.